So hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to move a table to a new table space in our data tables. So many times what happens, the table space in which the current table is situated, so the table space get full. In that case, either we can add a data file inside it and increase the table space size, or we can move the tables from that particular table space to a new one, or create a new table space and move those tables to it. Select everything from DBA segments. Where segment name is Asia. Let's see that. So guys, here you can see that the Asia table, okay, having a ownership, and it is situated in the table space system. Okay, so now you want to move this table from system table space to the newly created table space, which one is India. We have created a table space which is named as India, and we want to move this Asia table from system to India table. Okay, so let's move it. So how we will going to do it? We want to move Asia table from system table space to India table space, right? So since we have figured out that in which table space this Asia table is situated and where we want to move it, okay? So for that we having, so let me copy the same sys then Asia table name move table space and then table space name, right? Okay, you can see here by using this simple statement, okay, enter table this is not Asia move table space India. The table space has been moved. Now let's see that whether the table has been moved or not. Okay. So using DBA segments we can find if that whether it is moved or not. So we have mentioned the table now. Okay, you can see that we have successfully moved the table, right? This is the owner, Asia is the segment name, and again table space name, which is now it is changed from system to India, right? So this way we can do it, right? So guys, this is how we can move the tables. Okay, now what is the next? Now we need to rebuild the index for Asia table. Okay, since we have moved this table from to the another table space, okay, so we need to again rebuild the indexes. So for that we will index name from DBA indexes where table name is equal to Asia, right? So this one is Asia index is the index name for the table Asia, right? Now we will rebuild this. So for rebuilding it we can simply use this one, right? So simply use this one. This will ask us about the owner and the table name Asia. Yeah, this needs to be capital. This is the table name. This one is the ready-made for you. Okay, so we need to copy this one, right? So this is the statement using which we will rebuild the index. So index has been rebuilt, right? So this way guys we can move the table from one table space to the another table space, and how it will work. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.